Today, I want to introduce about display strategies for Visteon. First of all, if we look at the digital cockpit, display become very important. Display is becoming larger and free shape like curved display and free format displays. In order to meet about these demands, Visteon is focusing about vertical integration heavily. So we develop individual components by ourselves, like cover lens, LCD panel, backlight unit, mechanical structures, hardware, software. We produce display product from a component level to system level at the same factories. And by using these vertical integration capabilities, today I want to introduce 3 brand new technologies. As I said, display becomes very important design factors for digital cockpit. Because of that, curved display requirement is getting bigger and bigger. This is curved OLED displays. This is perfect solution for premium segment and luxury segment. One of the roadblock for curved display was cost increase from flat displays. Visteon successfully developed cost-competitive manufacturing solutions. For this OLED curved displays, we laminate OLED and cover lens, and also we bend by ourselves.